Myself, Dr. Sushma Jain, Associate Professor Chemistry, Government Dungar College, Bikaner. In the previous lectures, we have discussed 1-1, 1-2 and 1-3 group disconnection. Now today, I shall discuss about the importance of order of events in organic synthesis. We know that some organic molecules are big molecules, large molecules, and they synthesize by a number of reactions. Therefore, what will be the order of that reactions during the synthesis? We know by some guidelines. For examples, detergent, which is the sodium salts of alkyl benzene sulfonic acid, and this detergent is synthesized by employing two reactions. One is the alkylation and one is the sulfonation. And what will be the reaction which we carried out first? It is known by the experience. For example, here when benzene on Friedel-Crafts alkylation, it forms alkylated benzene, which on sulfonation with sulfuric acid, it gives para-benzene sulfonic acid, which on reaction with sodium hydroxide, it forms the sodium salt. Here, this is the actual structure of the detergent, and we carry the order of the reaction is that we take Friedel-Crafts alkylation firstly and sulfonation secondly. But if we take sulfonation as firstly, here benzene on sulfonation gives benzene sulfonic acid, which on alkylation by Friedel-Crafts reaction, since sulfonic acid is meta-directing, therefore it alkylated at meta position, and which on reaction with sodium hydroxide gives the meta substituted sodium salt of sulfonic acid. But we want to synthesize detergent which has this type of the structure, which is obtained only when we carried out Friedel-Crafts reaction firstly and then sulfonation secondly, because the alkylation group, here the alkyl group is para-directing, so coming electrophile goes to the para position, of which on reaction with sodium hydroxide gives sodium alkyl sulfonate. Therefore, it is very important to know the order of reaction which is carried out during the synthesis, and there are some guidelines for carrying the synthesis of the particular molecule. The guideline first one is that the disconnect is in such way that the reverse reaction would give the right orientation. For example, in this reaction, this compound has two groups. One is the COCH3 group and one is the isopropyl group. Here we can disconnect from here or from here. Then when we disconnect from here, we get these two synthones, and which on adding negative atom to this positive part, we get the synthetic equivalent. On by adding positive atom to this negative part, we get this type of the synthetic equivalent. And when we disconnect by B. Then we get these two synthons, this synthon and this synthon, and by adding positive proton to here we get the synthetic equivalent, and we adding Cl minus to here we get this type of the synthetic equivalent here, and this synthetic equivalent can further be disconnected and we get these two synthon, and by adding oppositely charged atom we get these two synthetic equivalent. What will be the order of event? We alkylated for we disconnect this one or we disconnect this one. The order is in such way that when we synthesize the molecule, we get the right oriented product. For example, here when we disconnected as A, then after disconnection we get this synthetic equivalent and this synthetic equivalent. When we synthesize by these two starting material to this target molecule, here the COCH3 group is meta-directing. Therefore, the isopropyl bromide attached to this meta position to this here meta position to this COCH3 group, and in the target molecule the isopropyl group is attached at the para position, so we can't disconnect by the A. We disconnect by the B, where we disconnect the CH3CO group which is meta directing. Here after disconnecting we get this type of the synthetic equivalent, and here this isopropyl group is orthopara directing, and we acylated at this para position to this isopropyl group. Therefore, the correct disconnection is the B disconnection, where when we synthesize the molecule, target molecule, by adding these two synthetic equivalent, we get our target molecule which is properly oriented, or we can say the isopropyl group and the acetyl group are at the para position. Now here the synthesis of our target molecule, reaction of benzene with isopropyl bromide. This is the Friedel-Crafts reaction, and on alkylation it gives alkylated benzene, which on reaction with acyl chloride in presence of AlCl3 it is acylation reaction. We can say Friedel-Crafts acylation. Therefore, we get our target molecule. Guideline second: if electron withdrawing group present in the target molecule, then we disconnect the electron withdrawing group firstly, because the electron withdrawing group deactivate the benzene ring. Therefore, we disconnect electron withdrawing group firstly. In the above example, this is the target molecule. Here COCH3 group is with electron withdrawing group and isopropyl group is electron donating group. Therefore, we disconnect the COCH3 group first because it is the electron withdrawing group and it deactivates the benzene ring. So, we disconnect the COCH3 firstly and we get these two synthetic equivalent. Another example for the electron withdrawing group disconnect first. Here these NO2 both are electron withdrawing group. This is electron donating group and this is also electron donating group. So we disconnect firstly the electron withdrawing group NO2 here and we get this type of the synthetic equivalent after disconnection, and then we disconnect the tertiary butyl group and we get this type of the compounds. And the synthesis, this compound on reaction with tertiary butyl chloride in presence of LCl3, it is a Friedel-Crafts alkylation, and it gives the this type of the intermediate compounds, and which on reaction with nitric acid or nitration in presence of H2SO4, it gives our target molecule. Guideline 3 for the order of events. The FGI is used during synthesis, and by FGI we alter their directing influence of the group. Here methyl group is ortho-para directing, and on FGI we convert into the COH, or which is meta directing, or we can do reverse. COH group convert into the methyl group, therefore the directing influence is inverse. Methyl group, which is ortho-para directing, and we convert to CCl3 or CF3 group, which is meta directing, or CCl3 CF3 group convert to methyl group by FGI, which is the ortho-para directing. Therefore here these two groups has different directing influence. This has a meta directing and this is ortho-para directing. Here NO2 group is meta directing and NH2 is ortho and para directing. Therefore for FGI, NH2 group converted to NO2 group, therefore the directing influence is changed. Now for example, here CCl3 and at para position chloro group, we convert CCl3 to CH3 by FGI. Here CCl3 is meta directing and CH3 is ortho para directing, and then we disconnect here Cl and we get toluene. Here we get toluene. On synthesis, reaction of toluene with chlorine in presence of FeCl3, chlorination takes place, and because the CH3 group is ortho-para directing, the Cl is attached to the para position, and for getting our target molecule, we displace this hydrogen atom by chlorination in presence of PCl5 and we get target molecule. So by these three guidelines, we can synthesize our target molecule efficiently, and other guidelines are also available, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th, which is discussed in our later classes. Thank you.